Artificial intelligence, AI, has evolved over nearly 2 centuries from a theoretical concept to an integral part of modern life, shaping industries, research, and daily routines. Its origins trace back to the late 19th century, when Charles Babbage envisioned the analytical engine, a mechanical computer capable of performing calculations and logical operations, and Ada Lovelace conceptualized the first program for it, laying the groundwork for modern programming and inspiring the idea that machines could potentially think. In the mid-20th century, Alan Turing formalized the scientific exploration of machine intelligence through his seminal 1950 paper Computing Machinery and Intelligence, introducing the Turing test as a benchmark for evaluating a machine's ability to exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to, or indistinguishable from, that of a human. AI officially became a recognized field in 1956 at the Dartmouth Conference, where John McCarthy coined the term artificial intelligence, and pioneering figures such as Marvin Minsky, Herbert Simon, Alan Newell, and Claude Shannon convened to define its goals and potential. Early AI programs like The Logic Theorist and General Problem Solver demonstrated that machines could tackle complex mathematical and logical problems, while the 1960s introduced milestones such as ELIZA, an early natural language processing system, and Shaky the robot, the first mobile robot capable of reasoning about its environment. The 1970s brought the AI winter due to limited computational power, memory constraints, and reduced funding, though expert systems like Myson for medical diagnosis highlighted AI's practical utility. The 1980s saw the rise of expert systems in commercial applications, such as XCON for computer configuration, and incremental progress in knowledge-based reasoning. While the 1990s demonstrated AI's global potential with IBM Deep Blue defeating chess champion Garry Kasparov and advancements in speech recognition, natural language processing, and robotics, including autonomous vehicle projects like Alvin. The 2000s emphasized machine learning and data-driven AI, culminating in IBM Watson's 2011 victory on Jeopardy! Proving advanced language understanding and data analysis capabilities. The 2010s brought a true revolution with deep learning and neural networks, championed by Geoffrey Hinton, Yann LeCun, and Yoshua Bengio, enabling machines to recognize images, understand human language, analyze emotions, and perform creative tasks, laying the foundation for modern AI applications in autonomous cars, recommendation systems, medical diagnosis, financial algorithms, and creative industries. Despite these advancements, fundamental questions remain: will AI remain a human assistant, or will it eventually achieve autonomy and surpass human intelligence? While the history of AI, from Babbage and Lovelace's theoretical groundwork, through Turing's frameworks, McCarthy and colleagues' foundational research, IBM Deep Blue's practical achievements, to the deep learning revolution, has been rich and transformative. Ongoing developments in AI ethics, regulation, and safety are crucial to ensure that its future benefits humanity while minimizing risks.